people of Amasaman constituency. Yaya Kasimata is the next member of parliament for Amasaman constituency. Joy. When you are winning, say Abaya Ye Kotui. I am Mini Oman Pini Dada and I am say a better application. And yes, sir. Now, say a campaign equal. Every say, who say, sa campaign over Lusu Koton. Enti, Bibi Kakrana ni Buefu. But this and then, Wako Didi, also for them. We did him for them. We did imams and them. We did CSOs for them. Or see, Omuye hypocrites. What you may be that? Saka saying, Oman Penny Dada, Stimikasa. Say, I am for imams or so forth. CSOs, Omuye hypocrites. What you may be that? Now says, what did he electoral commission at him? And then so I say, NPP government, a foolish government. Hey, what you may be that? Where Kasa I free Oman Penny Dada. We must have limited at least some standards of decency in the language we speak as politicians. Election year and yet intended is about ideas. Only ideas are then you insult people. But what ideas are you present your ideas? Yet you will bold solutions to problems. We see a foolish government, but we have created more jobs than your government. We have built more roads than your government. We have built more interchanges than your government. We have built more bridges than your government. We have built more factories than your government. We have built more schools than your government. We have built more hospitals than your government. We have built more court houses than your government. We have built more sanitation facilities than your government. We have built more social debts than your government. We have built more sports facilities than your government. We have built more fiber optic cable than your government. Every sector of the economy, we have done better than you. Now see a foolish government. Every sector, anything I may say, Uji Hundia, Branaya debate, one-on-one, many will play, debate. Uji Hundia, Branaya debate, one-on-one. Osro, because he knows, sir, I speak with data. You want to share the bread, ever Ghana for. Eddie Ejuma, Ebeba, Ememuno. We are training 1 million youth for digital skills for jobs in this country. Yeah, the electricity grow platform with solar power. Yeah, the society tax system wa Ghana. Yeah, flat tax system. Yeah, the tax amnesty in 2025. We are person with disabilities, no fees. You will get free tertiary education. Application for passport is going to be easy. Mene opan peyin dada na yeko sa kansi me de menyendi president pay me a vice president but in shisha me de abano obie hu sa in shisha no say Ghana card aba digital address aba mobile interoperability aba drones aba zongo development aba gold for oil aba NHIS renewal aba paperless sports aba Ghana.gov aba e-health aba e-pharmacy aba ina ayen shisha Dr. Bawumia aba agenda 111 aba na ubisa omanpenyin dada se onchire policy bakwa odi aba ontimi bakupe ontimi enti echrese vice president humanity ma pass mum promote me mum call amenye president of the Republic of Ghana ma pass mum first year no